In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to access the Google Web Store on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu in the bottom left. It looks like a little O. And then you can go ahead and just select Web Store from one of these links, or you can search for Web Store in the search results, and it should be one of the best matches here. So we're just going to go ahead and select Web Store, and then you can locate extensions or whatever you're looking for from here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.